Hello, welcome to my Tinson Talks channel. My name is Tinson and today we are going to be unboxing another Smoko product. This one is the Pearl Boba Tea Soap Dispenser. Now, I am really excited for this one because I have been looking for an automatic sensor touchless soap dispenser for a while now, and I was scrolling through the Smoko website and look at this baby. It is cute. So I'm hoping that it works as well as it's advertised. Let's unbox this thing. Here is the box. Let's see. It does say that it requires 4 AAA batteries and it's not included. Luckily, I have my batteries. And let's open this. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Okay. Look at this beauty. It's so cute. Even has a smile. So you will be provided with a bracket like this and an adhesive backing. This, I'm assuming, will peel off and you can attach it to a wall or a cabinet, and I will save this for later. You will also have the nuts. You will also need to take this off. This is called the anti-removal cover. Let's get started. Hopefully this installation process makes sense to you and hopefully I'm doing this right. So first, you are going to unscrew these. Okay, now here is the bracket. You're gonna place this on the back, just like so, and try to match up the holes. You are going to screw these nuts back on, but the bracket will be in between. So this took a while for me to screw these on, but here's a tip. You can just align them all at the same time and screw them in just like so. I tried to do it one at a time, but I failed. So here we're just gonna screw, and voila, this is what it should look like. It's not falling off, so that's a plus. Now you're gonna take this cover off on the bottom. Oops. You are going to slide the bracket into the 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, make sure it is plush. So just shove it in a little bit. And place the cover back on. Okay, and voila! There you have it. I'm now going to install the batteries. So here is where the battery cover is. It says to slide it out, but it's tough, so I'm just going to use this. Okay, so here it is. Let's see. You are going to pinch these 2 ends up. Ooh. Cool. Okay, so it should look like this. Let's see. You are going to put the batteries in. Let's see. So here's the... Make sure your plus and minuses are correct. This is what it should look like. You're going to place the batteries back in. Make sure you hear a click and put the battery cover back on. It says... Oops. Oh! Oh! Oh, okay. There is some type of unidentified liquid. LOL. But I turned it on. I don't know what's inside this thing. That is disgusting. Okay. I highly recommend rinsing the inside of this dispenser before putting any soap or hand sanitizer because that residual condensation was kind of nasty. Kind of smelled too. But I'm sure there was nothing wrong with it. Just rinse it out real quick. I just poured water inside this. So here, this is how you put your liquid in. I just put water, gave it a little shake, and dumped it out, and it's good. I'm actually gonna put hand sanitizer into this dispenser instead of soap. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm going to put it on the wall and show you guys that. I have my bottle of hand sanitizer, and I'm gonna pour some of this inside this dispenser right now. And here's an indicator on the front to show me how much I can put in. On the box, it does say you can have 350 milliliters inside this. So I just poured the hand sanitizer all the way up to the top. It is quite difficult to see where the hand sanitizer is on this, but I filled it up, so it should be good. How to turn this on: you press the power button. It should flash blue, and then you just wave. Here is my dispenser. I took off the adhesive and attached it to the wall. And as you can see here, there is the adhesive. I actually used a pair of scissors to press down on it. That way it will stick firmly to the wall. Here's the other side. And then I pressed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way to 30. And it's staying pretty well. And I already turned it on, so let's see if it will show it. Perfect. There you have it. If you need to shut this off for whatever reason, all you need to do is press and hold until it flashes red. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give my channel a subscribe if you want to see more videos. Put some comments down below if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.